semi-structural. So now what the data factory will do it here? Why the data factory is required? What is the difference between data warehouse and data factory? Data factory means to explain, here we have the raw data. Does means directly we can't understanding the raw data because it's in the original form of data source. Then definitely uh, the raw data is a very big. First of all, raw data is very big and very difficult to understand, and every use case have their own requirement. And if you want to do analysis on the raw data, it's very difficult for you. That's why we introducing the data factory. What the data factory will do, first we'll write it here, the data factory. The data factory, what is the first job? It will clean the data. Means it's process the raw data based on use case requirement, right? Yeah. Use case means here the user requirement, normally we call as a use case requirement, okay? Based on the use case requirement. So one, they are processing the data based on the use case requirement. And now the what you can say something other than this one. For this processing, they may either use directly, let me, for the data processing, use case team may use data pipeline or transforming data. Use the data pipelines. The transforming data means the data processing. Okay. Either you can transfer, you can call it as transform data or maybe data processing, whatever it is, but the meaning is same. So when you are processing the data, you can use the data pipelines. And why you like once you are processing the data means definitely you need to form some either based on the use case requirement, right? So just now you're explaining about we are converting into the structural data. There may be some use cases may require the structural data, maybe some use cases they don't require the structural data. That depends on the use case. We can converting either depends on requirement, depends on use case requirement. We can transform the data either structural or unstructural. Unstructural again the semi-structural, that's a different case. Unstructural, you were clear, right? Yeah. Unstructural based on the use case requirement, we can transfer the data either from structural or unstructural. Like let me split this into the data either structural or unstructural. So now you are very clear. Job. Like this is again it is the interlink. So once you have the data available in data warehouse, then you can call the then from the data warehouse data factory will trigger. So data factory will depends on the data warehouse. Once the data is available in data warehouse, then only data factory will come here and do the refactoring, whatever it is, the job. Right now, you will clearly know the data warehouse is the foundational for this all the things. Like what are the components available underlying on top of that. Now it's very clear. So now you can explain what is the next topic will come here. We'll do here. Who will come next? Data engineer. What the data engineering will do here? Who will come next? Data engineer. Yeah. What's the data engineer job is doing here? Data. Is our requirement farm like where the data engineer will help you. Mhm. Data engineering మన తెల్లని చెప్పట్లేదు. Farmer చెప్తానా? Yeah, don't worry, just you can send. మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో మన లైక్ వచ్చిన డేటాని మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉండొచ్చు ఉండకపోవచ్చు. Yeah. ఒకవేళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో లేకపోతే మల్టిపుల్ సోర్సెస్ నుంచి వస్తుంది కదా డేటా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10 క్లయింట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చిన డేటాని వస్తుంది అనుకో. సమ్ డేటాని కొంచెం డిలీట్ చేసి మనం అప్డేట్ చేయాలి. మనకు కావాల్సిన సేమ్ ఇది కూడా అంతే. మనకు కావాల్సిన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కి మనం అప్డేట్ చేస్తాము. So that means what is the role of data engineer here? Here, data engineer will help you. Let me explain here. Let me go. We'll define the roles of data engineer here. Okay. Like what is the data engineer will do here means data engineer main job is like clearly like here the data and engineering. So what is a mechanical engineer and software engineer do? The mechanical engineer, they will build the missions and they will build the mission. Software engineer, they will develop the software engineer. That's a different case. Software engineer, what they will do, but the basic meaning is like to develop the software engineer. So here the data engineer. So data engineer means you need to play with the data. So whatever the data you required, he will provide for you. So that means if you need a data, right? In the data warehouse, you need the data. Then who will provide you the data? Who will help you to provide the data? Data engineer. Here, the data engineer will connect the corresponding, the underlying data sources and establish the connection, and he will help you to put the data into the data warehouse. So that means data engineer will help you to connect the different data sources, and push the data into either push or pull data into data warehouse. We can say transform, no push and no pull. And transfer the data into data warehouse. Right? Okay. That is a first software data fact. Where is the data? Which is the first component? చెప్పండి data warehouse. Then where the data with third party sources? Data warehouse. Okay. Oh. First which one will come? That's why I ask you to go first brief about this one. So it will transfer the data into data warehouse from different data sources. Okay, that's clear for you. And next, like that is the first job. What is the first job? He is the first responsible to get the data into data warehouse. He will start first always. The data engineer is the first. Then the rest of things will come. And what is his next step? The here is made a connections and pushing into the data warehouse. What is the next? Now where he can
That's
help you.
fine.
Now here the data warehouse, you get the original data. Then again you said in the data factory, you need to transform the data, right? By using the data pipelines.
Yeah.
Then who can help you again here? The data
Data
engineer.
engineer.
Again, the data engineer will help you to build the data pipelines. Help you to build data pipelines to data pipelines. Maybe based on the user requirement, they will help you to build the data pipelines. So here the until here the data warehouse, the who is the key role here? Data engineer. Data engineer will take care about both pushing the data from the different sources into the data warehouse, and from the data warehouse he will only the responsible to push into the data factory. But still you need to guide him how you need the data and how you what kind of format you need, and that's a different case that's need to be taken care by the different teams. But the data engineer responsibility, he will take care about this all the steps until here. So data engineer is not a concept here, it's not any component, it's the uh, it's the duties. Like data engineer is a duty, is a responsible to pushing the data from the different sources into data warehouse and data warehouse to data factory by using the data pipelines. Now you are clear about these three components. What is the data warehouse, data factory, and data engineer. Now let's come to the other parts. Other components. Let's